My name is Oswald Anum, and I'm the marketing officer for Tiberias Ghana Limited. And then these are my colleague Conrad Okai, and then Mr. Jeche. We are all staff of Tiberias Ghana Limited, and we deal with fire extinguishers, basically dry powder fire extinguishers. And these ones are 4 kgs, and they are special on the markets because it is lighter for you to use and it's so easy for you to use as compared to the other ones which are very heavy. You can't have people who are aged or the young ones using them, so the 4 kgs are good for the home such that anybody at all in the house can use it and then use it effectively. Now this 4 kg ABC dry chemical powder is good for tackling fire of classes ABC. When we say class ABC, we are talking to fire or talking of fire that deals with wood, metal, plastic, bed sheets, clothes, anything in your home, and then anything that has to do with gas or gas leakage in your kitchen or fire in your car. This type of fire extinguisher is effective for that, and then it helps a lot. Our aim is to get this fire extinguisher to every home. So if you are home and then you need any of this fire extinguisher, you just get in touch with us. We provide them to you, and then we train you as to how to use them and then when to service them so that it will always be of use to you. We are located at East Legon American House, and our numbers are 0245 05 8482, 0245 05 8482. And we have special packages for contractors, real estate developers, and then people who live in high rocketed areas or buildings. We can give you the fire extinguisher for free, and then there are terms and conditions that comes with it. And then also, if you're a real estate developer and then you need an extinguisher, we can get in touch with you, give it to you for free, and then we discuss the terms and conditions. The prices are moderate. We sell them as 50 Ghana cedis for wholesale and then 60 Ghana cedis for retail prices. So wherever you are, if you need any of the extinguisher, you just call us on the numbers that we give you, and then we'll respond to you. Very affordable and very effective for any kind of fire. It quenches any kind of fire. So ABC dry chemical powder fire extinguisher, we have them in stock, and so anytime you call us, we'll be ready to respond to you. If you have churches, hotels, hospitals, homes, clinics, transport organizations, you can call us and then we'll make them available to you. Our aim is to help reduce the outbreak of fire in our society. So anytime you call us, we'll come in and then we'll help you with the extinguisher. Our prices are very moderate, as I said, 50 Ghana cedis for wholesale and then retail for. Also, we have refilling stations. If you have extinguishers that you've used them or need servicing, we have 3 plants that we do servicing and refilling. So when you call on us, we can refill your extinguisher for you, and then we can service it for you as well. So we are ready to serve you, and anytime you call us, we'll do that. We also help people to get their fire certificates. If you need fire certificate for any building, you call us. We help you with the process in collaboration with fire service, and then we get you the fire certificate for you to use. So this is Tiberias Ghana Limited, and this is what we do. We help fight fire in the system. Our aim is to fight fire in the homes. So you call us and we'll respond. Thank you very much. Basically, the extinguisher has the handle, it has the gauge, it has the safety pin, and then the tube, then the cylinder itself, and it is easy to use. Anytime you want to use the extinguisher, we use an acronym that we call PASS, PASS, PASS. So the first thing you do is to pull out the pin. Until you pull out the pin, you cannot squeeze the extinguisher out of the cylinder. So the first thing you do is to pull out the pin. When the pin is out, then you hold this side of the tube. Because of the pressure in the tube, if you hold this side will be dangling, and you cannot control it. So you hold this side of the tube, then you aim at the base of the fire. That stands for A. So P stands for pull, then A stands for aim at the base of the fire, then the first S stands for squeeze. You squeeze this side, then the extinguisher will come out. So as you are squeezing, then you spray it or you sweep it at the base of the fire to cover the oxygen at the base of the fire, and then the fire will go off. Sure. So if you are squeezing and spraying or bringing out the extinguisher on one side and not at the base of the fire, the extinguisher may finish and still the fire will be burning. So we say that you aim the base of the fire and then you spray the extinguisher there.
When you say the base of the fire, it means the down part of the fire, where
The fire is starting from. Is starting from because of the oxygen. You know, fire burns with oxygen, so you need to cover the oxygen at the base of the fire. When you cover the oxygen at the source of the fire, it quenches it. That's what I'm saying. So pass, PASS, pull, aim, squeeze, and spray or sweep. So basically, that is how we use the extinguisher. Right. Okay.
Now let me ask you, this extinguisher I understand is powder type.
Yes.
Do you have to shake it or something? I mean,
No, you don't have to shake it. This thing has been pressurized and then the chemical is inside. So we have ABC dry chemical powder. That is what is in the cylinder and has been pressurized. So anytime you pick it at all, it is ready for you to use. So you don't shake it, you don't do anything. It is just there. And then the ABC type of fire, a fire that deals with plastic, wood, metals, gas, anything in the home. So this dry powder chemical ABC is good for the home, the offices, hotels. But the CO2 is what we use for industrial areas because CO2 deals with ED kind of fire. That's one of the industrial areas, the machineries and those places. So this one is good for your home, for your kitchen, for your room, and even for your car. Sure. So basically that is how we use the extinguisher.